Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 20 minutes start to finish. Spaghettini No. 2, smoked Paris ham, sunny egg. Ingredients: spaghettini No. 2, size No. 2, smoked Paris ham, 1 egg. Butter, extra virgin olive oil, salt, grounded pepper. Preparation: boil water, add a drop of extra virgin oil, salt. Cook the spaghettini for 10 minutes or to your liking. Once the spaghettini are cooked, remove the water, add a generous piece of butter, pour the cut in dice smoked Paris ham, the sunny side egg, on top of the spaghettini and ground pepper. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.